Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. I'm starting a brand new video series. Instead of the 12 days of Christmas, it's gonna be the 12 shops of Bloor West Village. The pandemic hit a lot of these shops really hard. So now that things are opening up, I think it's a great opportunity that we could showcase a lot of these smaller shops, which you may not see, in other places. So follow along the journey with me. And why am I doing Bloor West Village, you might ask? Well, in case you haven't noticed behind me, I just opened up my own shop here at 2414 Bloor Street West, Unit A. My new spot is upstairs, so go check it out. Let's go.
David Cinelli's office.
Well, welcome to the DC team. We have our realtor, Ariana.
Hi.
And we also have my assistant, Elise.
Hi. For the next 11 days, we will be showcasing a different store each day here in the Bloor West. Hopefully you get a chance to visit the stores that we showcase. Make sure you follow along with your journey, and most importantly, have a happy holiday.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas, yeah.